Welcome back, guys, to my channel. I am Lisa and this is Not Too Late Natural Hair. A change of environment. I am downstairs. It is sunny, so I decided to take advantage of the lighting. If you are a creator or you do videos, you know what I'm talking about. Well, guys, see this? I've been out in my garden. I've been doing my gardening and slowly getting back into the workout routine. So I've been out in the sun, plus I need to get some vitamin D. So my hair needs a lot of moisture as the weather is so cray-cray. I thought it was getting warm and then there was a tremendous breeze and then it was like cold again. I don't know. So anyway, my hair is like hot, cold, like what's going on? So I decided that in today's video, I'm gonna do an at-home, like a hot oil or like a pre-treatment to my hair. And this will be especially great since everyone is quarantined and at home. And let's say that you don't want to go to the store. Let's say that you don't have that many items in your home. This is something I just created. My first time trying it. But here's the thing, you can try anything in your home. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm trying out today because this brought me back to when I was younger and how my mother used to burst like the vitamin E oil into our hair, and therefore that strengthens your hair as well. So just remember, it's not just what you're putting on the inside, it's also on the outside. It's both, okay? So use what you have, especially if you cannot go home and you have to stay home. Use what you have and therefore it will save you a little bit of the cha-ching. All right, so I want to give my hair a pre-treatment. So let me show you what I am dealing with today. Okay, so I have already added 4 tablespoons. Is it 4 or 3? 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and maybe it was 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and this is the coconut oil that I'm using. And because it is a little bit warm in here, it's already like, oh, see, it's melted a little bit, like a, look at that. Yeah, so it's already soft. I have like 15, what am I using today? It's not vitamin E, it is, I'll remember. This is 1 capsule of turmeric, tea tree oil, essential oils to it. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. And this is actually castor oil. That's right, castor oil. I just remembered because I'm just putting it together. All right, so I'm gonna go in downstairs bathroom. I'm already downstairs. I didn't feel like going up, down. And normally I do it in my bathroom. If you've been watching me for a while. So I'm just gonna mix everything here because the lighting is so good right here, and I will show you what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, and I'm still recovering from knee surgery, so it's a little bit hard to be on my knees at times. So so that's why I went ow. Okay, take this, which is the coconut oil. I mean the tree oil. Okay guys, Okay guys, so I'm downstairs. As you can tell, I made a little bit of a mess when I was mixing together. And I use this container. Guess where I got this container from? You know the yogurts that have the granola in top? This is the casing. Or maybe a yogurt at Publix that has something on top. I use these for stuff like this. So you notice that it turned yellow. So yeah, the turmeric will do that to anything. So what I'm gonna do is use an old towel, even though I am wearing a white shirt. It's okay, it's an old shirt. And I'm gonna take my old towel here. I brought my comb, but I didn't bring gloves because you know gloves are a commodity right now in this uncertain times or precedented times, the same thing everybody's saying. So yeah. So my initial thought was I'm just gonna go in there and just massage it in, and I don't have any bags also. Use what's at home. I'm gonna rinse this out so I can use it on top of my head after I'm done so it can soak in all of that goodness. So let me rinse this out now. Okay guys, so I have my bag rinsed out here. I have my comb, but I'm just gonna get started. So the thing about coconut oil is that you have to be mindful that depending on the temperature in your home or whatever, it can easily go back into a solid state. Once it's at a temperature, and you can look it up online. I'm sorry I don't have it, but like a warm temperature, then it will start to melt. So I like this consistency so far. Yeah, oops. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna spread the bag down there. And look at that. I'm like a little yellow bird. But anyway, I'm just gonna massage it in. It's a weird concoction that I just did. Almost smells like I'm doing curry on my head. Have blonde hair. Well, like this that came out. And I'm going to show you my sink, show you everything. You're probably wondering, how are you going to get that out? With water and soap. And all else fail, bleach. That's all. That's all. Right. Now I'm gonna tie the bag over my head. It has a weird smell. I think it's the oh, you know, it's the apple cider vinegar. And I think I remember that it was 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil, 2 apple cider vinegar, 2 drops of essential oil. What else did I use? 15 cod liver little tablets, and 1 turmeric pill. And some of these pills I do take internally. So I'm going to show you my sink, and this is my towel that's all yellowed out. That's why I chose an old towel. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 to 20 minutes with my towel on and try not to go anywhere and spread this throughout the house. So I think it's gonna be on my phone doing TikTok, or no, my phone is charging. So what am I gonna do in that time? Clean up, that's what I'm gonna do. So this right here, I'm just gonna throw it out and I'll show you my, well, actually, let me show you this. I'm gonna show you something. I don't know if you guys can see that these little stains right here. So, there's some water here. What am I? Yeah. I'm gonna add some soap and wash it, and that's why I wear an old shirt. So if you don't care about, spread something on the floor, make sure it doesn't splatter all over your walls and stuff. And you don't have to add the turmeric, guys. You can add anything that you feel will have vitamins, minerals, or stuff. You can easily use fruit. You can use avocado, mayonnaise, strawberry, blueberry, blend it all up like a smoothie. Play around with it, experiment it. Remember, it's not too late to be creative and experiment. So normally I save my not too late to the end, but right now called for it. So yeah, so I think it's the apple cider vinegar. Anyway, hope my neck doesn't turn yellow. So after this, after 15-20 minutes, and I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. All right, I'm gonna clean up now. Okay guys, so I rinsed out my hair. It took me 4 times for me to rinse it out just to get all the yellow until the studs, you know, became clear. Because I shampooed it with Castile, one of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. So now, as you can tell, the yellow is out. And remember guys, I'm doing this on my blonde hair, and it did have a lot of yellow in there. And remember that turmeric is good for your inside as well as your outside. You just have to be so careful when you're using it. One little pill and you know, it just spreads. So be careful when you're doing your hair. You know, have an old clothes or towel. This is an okay towel because it's already clear. Use an old shirt. Protect all your floors and surroundings. Rinse out your bathtub with Clorox or something real good, because this concoction that I did can leave like a yellow grease ring. So just make sure that you bleach it out and whatever. And if you're not blonde, you can replace it with any other thing, or try it. Just make sure that you rinse it till it turns clear. So now I have some Shea Moisture conditioner that I bought from upstairs, and just gonna work it in my hair to add more moisture in there. But guys, how does it feel? You're wondering, well, how does the turmeric feel on my hair and that little oil and everything? It feels good, guys, and actually it feels good on my skin also. As I was rinsing it out, feels good wherever it came in contact with, and I was able to rinse it off. It feels like a oil base good thing going on here. Now if it wasn't for the turmeric turning it yellow, I think I can, you know, put that together and put that on my body. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna comb through, and I'm gonna actually leave this in overnight because it's late right now, and I'm just gonna let this soak in some moisture because actually, yeah, I'm gonna leave this in. Yeah, so guys, this shirt is pretty much ruined, but that's fine because I intended it for it to be that way. And like I mentioned, it was a old shirt. Rinsing off my hand. As I mentioned, it was an old shirt, so I'm okay with that. It was cool to wear around, and maybe the bleach will get it out, I'll see. But as far as everything else, my bathtub, my sink, make sure that you rinse it out right away. Turmeric is great for your scalp. and they say that it promotes hair growth, so we'll see. But it's also good to take inside as well, which I have been doing. So guys, isn't that something that I just created that little concoction all by my little self, and just trying it out, trying out stuff that's around the house, and stuff that's going to benefit my hair and my body. And remember, it's not too late to do anything, right? So that's why you're watching Not Too Late Natural Hair. So guys, I'm actually doing good. I hope that you guys are doing great as well. So yeah, I go back to work in a couple of weeks. So I'm thankful for so many things, guys, but that would be for another episode. But for this episode, thank you guys for watching me as I turn my hair yellow, use this little concoction just to give my hair more moisture. The more moisture, the better. And I like to ramble on. So I'm just gonna close out this video, guys. And don't forget, you can watch previous videos of Not Too Late Natural Hair, or you can subscribe so therefore you don't miss out on a new video. Okay, my lovelies, peace, love, and be safe. Until next time, bye.